Hey, it's Andy at Sweet William Antique Mall, and we just want to say thank you to everybody who's turned out so far today for our annual holiday open house. It was crazy busy. We appreciate your patience if you were standing in line trying to make your purchases earlier. Still got some goodies and champagne. We're here till 6 o'clock tonight. If you want to come by, we're at 2109 Broadway, West Side, Colorado Springs. On your way to Bear Creek Park, we're on the right-hand side, just at the bottom of the hill there. You go past the Dutch Brothers and 7-Eleven. Look for us on the right. The turn is Broadway Street. And big shout out to the Pikes Peak Metropolitan Community Church for letting us use their lot today because we needed it. Both front and back were packed, and so come on by. Still lots of vintage holiday items, and as I mentioned, some goodies to enjoy. Sweet William Antique Mall on the west side. Thanks so much.